This course is in Hindi and English mixed language. In this 4 weeks memory booster training program, students will learn how they can improve their memory power easily by using scientific memory techniques. And after using these scientific memory techniques, students will be able to use optimum power of brain for their studies. Hello all, I am Dr. Paramjit Singh, father of a super girl, husband to a very supportive woman. I am memory coach and founder of Rhyme Academy. I have 14 years of experience in memory field and I have trained more than 25,000 students, parents, teachers, trainers and individuals in 5 countries. I am national and Asia memory record holder, and after this training, my daughter and many other students and trainers also made memory records at national and Asia level. I am appreciated by India Book of Records for maximum records of my students in lockdown period, and I have been also awarded honorary doctorate by World Records University for my memory techniques and other achievements. This course is suitable for 8 years and above students. This course is divided into 4 weeks. In first week, we will discuss about memory basics such as what is memory, how it works, memory rules, how brain works and personal keyword system for memory. In week 2, students will learn about link method basic and advanced, and by using this method, they can learn various things such as any language, English dictionary, states capitals, countries capitals and many other things. In this same week, students will learn about story method, and by using this method, they can learn many information of any topic in serial order very easily. And in shape method, they will learn about months and daily schedules. In week 3, students will learn about maps and diagrams in geography and biology. Fact system for memorizing any number of any length of any subject. Students will know about scientific revision plan, which is very beneficial for students, and they will also know about exam preparation. In rhyme method, they can memorize any list of information in serial, reverse and random order. In week 4, students will learn how to memorize long data like periodic table, long theories and essay. They will also learn long terms used in science, events and facts used in history and mathematical tables. So, overall, students will know the secrets of memorizing any subject of the course. By the end of this program, students will be benefited in aspects like focused studies, increased recalling and retention power, higher marks in exam, and very important is increased memory power, by using which a student can easily learn anything in the least time and can recall any information when they want. For more about this course, you can enroll to my course on Android app Rhyme Academy, which you can download from Google Play Store. You can also access this course on our website. Link for my app and website is also available in description box. Thank you.